All right, we are on day 9 of 30 days of creating, and I know I was gonna try for no repeats, but I am getting my taxes done today, and then I have a bunch of stuff to do after that. And as it is, I had to wake up at 7 in the morning to squeeze this in, and for a musician, that is that's just ugly early. So I'm going to be painting a seal today. I think they're adorable. And I'm going to do an ACEO, and artist cards, editions and originals. And so they're all the same size, 2.5 by 3.5 inches, the size of a baseball card. There's a whole community on eBay where they, you can trade these cards or you buy them and people keep them in binders. Anywho, doing these small pieces is a really good way to create something every day and get my practice in without having to do a giant time commitment. If I were doing a bigger piece, this would take me a lot longer. So I would rather do a repeat than not do anything. And so that is what is happening today. All right, so let's get this party started. All right, switching to high speed because this was a long video. It took me about an hour to do this. I've never painted something that was partially submerged in water, so that was a bit of a learning curve. And I figured the water is green, so I'll start with a green hue for his body, which is below the surface, and then adding in the seal color. To create that seal color, I mixed a Payne's Gray with a brown. I'm not sure which brown it is, to be honest with you. I put it in the palette so long ago, I'm not quite sure anymore. I know some folks are very good at just coming in with the perfect color right away and being able to do it quickly in one pass. That is not me. I tend to do lots of light layers, and I kind of feel like for me, that's how I get the best results. I'm using the Dr. P.H. Martin's the liquid watercolor. It comes liquefied with an eyedropper, and they work very, very well for layering. So that is why I choose to use that particular brand. I've had a few watercolor paintings that I've done where I've done the hyper realism, well, for watercolor anyway, and I have as many as 40 layers of paint on some of those paintings. I'm kind of a crazy person when I have a brush in my hand. Just doing some finishing touches, and he's done. Okay, well, I guess that's it for me for today. I have to go get my taxes done. I thank you all for joining. Please come back for day 10. Don't know what I'll be doing, but I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that this inspires you to do something different today and to do something creative. Please check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined, my website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can find my art and music and fluid art inspiration cards for sale. You will find the link to my affiliates. Use those links. Get yourself a discount. I receive a commission at no additional cost to you. And what else is in there? Our Facebook group. Go make some art. Join us there. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Get some inspiration. A good time is had by most. And anything else?
I don't know. Check out the description box. There's all kinds of good information in there. And yeah, that's it for me for today. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.